Hello, myself Jobin Johnson, registration number URK19CS1034. So today I'm going to explain you the sixth experiment of Computer Networks Lab. So aim is to design and configure a dynamic routing for the IP version, RIP version 1 and RIP version 2. Okay, so R means configure means the steps I will tell you. First, we have to configure IP addressing on the host PCs. Okay, then configure the routers interfaces. Then we have to configure the routers to install the dynamic routing in the routing table. Okay, and at last we have to test and verify the configuration. So this is our topology as you can see here, and this is the screenshot. Question is to get the screenshot of successful ping from PC to router. As you can see, this is the successful ping from PC to router, and we have to get the screenshot of unsuccessful ping from PC to remote PC. Okay, so as you can see here, we have type the command ping or the IP address of that PC, then means IP address of first we have to go to the uh, from the PC. Okay, then we have to add the IP address of the remote PC. Okay, so for the remote PC IP address, that is ping 192.168.30.2. So it will give you that, as you can see, pinging 192.168.30.2 with 32 bytes of data. Then request timed out. So you can see this is the unsuccessful ping from PC to a remote PC. So our next question was to get the screenshot of the configuration RIP version 1 from any one router. Just go to any one router, then in that CLI just write en configure t, then write the command router RIP, then give the networks of the means the router, the networks of the PCs and servers to the router that is connected. So we have to give the network that is belongs to that router specifically. Okay, so our network 192.168.10.0, then it will go on like this. Then we will get the, if you just we have to enter all the networks. Okay, then we have to get the screenshot of the routing table for mm, RIP version 1, as you can see here. So our next question was to get the screenshot of show IP protocols. For that, the command is simple. Just we have to exit from that command, as we have entered networks. We have entered all the networks right now, and we have to exit from that. Then again we have to write show IP protocols. Then you will get the sending updates every 30 seconds. Next due in 5 seconds. Means all that means the let you can see all the commands, as you can see here. Now you will get default version control is send version 1, receive any version. So for this is for version 1 right now. Okay, now this we have to get the screenshot of RIP database. So for that you will get that show IP route. For that the command is simple, show IP route. Okay, then you will get all the database. So I hope you understood the RIP version 1. Now for RIP version 2, all the conditions same. Just in that we have to enter, instead of writing, we were just typing all the commands in the RIP version 1 was router RIP. Then directly we were entering all the networks. Now for RIP version 2, we have to first configure the router RIP, then we have to enter, means we have to type version 2, then all the networks that are connected to that router. Okay, that's the only difference in RIP version 2. Rest all are same. Okay, so if you want for that we are, all the questions were same, just the condition were different. For this RIP version 2 was that instead of writing directly for networks, means for version 1 directly we have to write networks. For version 2 we have to first write, means type version 2, then only we have to write networks. Okay, so our next question was routing table. For RIP version 2. Then for show IP protocols, the command is simple, but same, that is same, show IP protocols. Then you will get the version, that is send version 2, receive 2. Then we have to get the RIP database. For that, the command is simple, that is show IP route. Okay, so that's all. I hope you understood. Thank you very much.